Hello, and welcome to the Newsphere, bringing context and clarity to your news experience. So right here, you have the page that you'll be landing on right after you log in. Over here, you have the exploration page with all of the nodes. So right now, Iran would be our node of interest. Click on any node, you get some information over here. And then if you click on any other node, so for example, China, you'll just see all news articles relating to the relationship between Iran and China. And then in this timeline in the middle, you can move up and down, or you can zoom in and out. So you can see how a relationship develops between different topics in the news over time. If you want to see more information about an article, you can just click on it. Click read more to see the article itself on the AP's website. You can also save the article by clicking on save article. And then you can move through this graph by double clicking on any of these nodes, which will effectively recenter it in the middle. You can also save links. So if I wanted to save the Iran-China relationship to my library, I would just click there. And now this article and this link have been saved to my library. So let's take a look. So here we have the Timeline Studio. And over here, you'll see all of the different articles that I have saved. And then these are all of the links that I have saved. So if we just open up that link that I just saved, we'll see it reproduced right here. And then you can just mouse over to see more information about each article. Then when you're happy with your timeline, after you've made, say, some annotations with the annotation form, you can save it. Just give it a name and hit OK. Now, if you take this link, you can give it to anybody, whether they have an account at the Newsphere or not, and they'll be able to see that timeline that you've created. You can also load other people's timelines. Another cool feature is you can now export your timelines. So you have three options. You can export it as a simple PNG image, as a CSV file with each of the articles and annotations in there. And you can also embed it as an iframe. So if you're writing an article of your own or a blog, you can just copy and paste this iframe in there. And then your viewers and your readers will be able to get their own interactive timeline. And lastly, we have the account page where you can just manage your own account. Pretty simple stuff. And the breaking news page, which is just the latest news that's coming out. Another cool feature is the send feedback feature. So you just select what kind of feedback you'd like to give. And you just hit submit. And then we'll get back to you as soon as we can. So thank you, and we're looking forward to seeing what you guys think.